Welcome to #Life 101 Philos Blog by Mascara Creations Australia Asia. This is Romnick C. Candelita, your Senior Sales Marketing Manager from Burbanga Clan, Philippines.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Life 101 Philos Blog and Mascara Creation Australia Asia. Today, we're going to document the very first day that we are going to organize our itineraries to the country of the Philippines. So, wish me luck, and it's a beautiful day, being winter 2024. There we are with sunshine, and I hope that you also have a very good day, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye. Ciao, ciao. So, welcome to the big bus. We are here at the frontage of our property or our building. This is what they look like. And this is the side that's facing the highway, that building. We are walking towards to the shopping center where we're going to check on my itinerary. All right, bye. So this is the back gate, our back gate. This is where you normally get out, exit there when you're driving. And we'll take you there to the area where the shops are. It's about 900 meters from my place. And that area is the retirement village, meaning a lot of elderly people lives there with all individual units or apartment. And this area is similar to our apartment in the sense of the setup is very similar. Certain area facing the water, and here comes the sunshine next to the traffic light. This pedestrian traffic light, it just been done not long ago, and these are in conjunction with our bus stop. So this is our bus stop here, and has got the public bin. You put your rubbish there. And this is traffic light, you go across. Again, this is the building for all the elderly people. That's still part of the retirement village. So this is our morning glory here. Well, it's about 11 o'clock. Welcome to the other area of private estate. This is also secured gate. You cannot just get in there. Same as ours, exact the same. So that's their entrance. There's a water in there, rising, the back of that. And the sun's coming out. And this is a 360 degrees. Woo! Comes the road. So this is the back of the property that basically similar setup of ours. And facing the road. And this is our bin or public bin that's got the names or number of the units, and that is a recycled bin being yellow. So let's go and continue on walking. It's a bit cold, but the sun is coming out, and we're nearly there.
Hello subscribers of Life 101 Philos Blog and Mascara Creation Australia Asia, together with the team members plus the non-subscribers of the channel. I would like to say thank you for keep on following the channel about life in general, but not limited with #reality check of life. Welcome to our morning glory. This is in Paris and Lights around 11 o'clock in the morning, and basically what you see is what you get.
So this is our typical petrol station here. The price is ULP So we're looking at least minimum of $1.78 per liter. That's the price point, and that is a help yourself service, self-service area with little shops, and there's a lot of birds.
It's been a while since I have posted something in this channel or actually been streaming. We are very busy at the moment preparing the MKJR food box CADIZ City opening time, which is coming up very soon. Meanwhile, say hello to my new friend. Hello, birdie.
There's a friendly bird right in front of me.
Bye bye, birdie. See you next time. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna quickly give you a little bit of updates on what's been happening about this channel. Again, we are still active, but we are just extremely busy at the moment due to, again, this is the project number 1. Plus, after the project 1, the project number 2, which is MKJR by the Bay, also will be coming up once the other project is completed. I will again say this to you. I am thankful to every single one of you by you supporting me. We are basically getting there of changing the structure of the teams, as well as the protocol of how we are going to express our opinion about our life, and that is showcasing our own life itself. Welcome to the Patterson Lakes little bicycle shopping center. We have a pathology, there's resto, there's the family clinic, as well as other places that you can come here, and this is the flight center.
There we go, everyone. This will determine my itinerary, hopefully. It's a beautiful day today. And let's go to flight center. This is the people that I always use every time I go for holiday. And here we go. Thank you, flight center. We are going to organize our ticket to go to Pinos, and hopefully everything gonna be went well. Welcome to the Patterson Lakes office of Flight Center. I always come here to sit down with them with my itineraries overseas, wherever I'm going. So this is the Flight Center here in Patterson Lakes, and this is Joanna signing off. I shall see you soon.
Obviously, disembark the plane, get to the baggage terminal, get your bag.
Thank you.
Yes, man. Bam, ba, ba, bam, bam, ba, bam, ba, bam, bam, dam, da, da, dam, dam. Let's do the rap, pam, pa, ram, pa, pa, pam, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pam, zumba, ba, bam, bam. Let's do the zumba, zumba. Yes, man.